Imagine a phone so advanced it makes your current one feel instantly outdated. That's the idea behind the brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. It's bigger, smarter, and more powerful, with features that feel straight out of the future. In this video, we're going to break down everything that makes this phone special, from design and display to camera, battery, and AI. By the end, you'll know if this is the next phone you should actually buy. The iPhone 18 Pro Max looks familiar at first glance, but when you see it up close, the changes are clear. The bezels around the screen are thinner than ever, giving you a true edge-to-edge look that almost feels like you're just holding a screen and nothing else. The new metal frame is lighter but still very strong, so you're getting a big phone without it feeling like a heavy brick in your pocket. The camera bump on the back is slimmer and more refined, and the matte finish resists fingerprints while still looking clean and elegant. The colors are subtle and classy, made to look expensive and professional rather than flashy or childish, so the phone instantly stands out as a premium device. The display on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is one of its biggest highlights. It's a large OLED panel with extremely thin borders and an adaptive refresh rate that can smoothly move from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. That means scrolling through social media, gaming, and watching videos feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Brightness is strong enough to stay clear even under harsh daylight, while HDR support makes movies and shows look rich with deep blacks and bright highlights. There's also smarter eye comfort technology built in, which subtly adjusts color and brightness to reduce strain during late-night browsing. Whether you're watching content, reading, or editing photos, this display feels sharp, vibrant, and easy on the eyes. Inside, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest chip, and it doesn't just bring raw speed, it brings intelligence. Everyday tasks like opening apps, switching between games and social media, or editing photos feel instant and effortless. The real upgrade is in the on-device AI, which understands your patterns better than ever. It organizes your photos automatically, cleans up your notifications so you see what truly matters first, and handles voice dictation with much higher accuracy. Because a lot of this AI processing happens locally on the device, responses are faster and your private data stays more secure. From gaming and video editing to heavy multitasking, this phone doesn't just keep up, it predicts what you're likely to do next and quietly stays ready. The camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro Max turns it into a true content machine. The main sensor is larger and sharper, giving you better performance in low light and more detail in every shot. The ultra-wide camera keeps the whole scene sharp from edge to edge, while the telephoto lens lets you zoom in without turning your subject into a blurry mess. Smart processing helps balance bright skies and dark shadows in the same photo, giving you natural skin tones that don't look over-edited. Night mode has improved, so city lights, indoor dinners, and late-night moments stay clear and realistic. For video, stabilization is so good that handheld shots can look almost like they were recorded on a gimbal, and cinematic features track faces and focus more accurately. If you're posting to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, this phone easily handles shooting, editing, and uploading in one place. Battery life is one of the most important things for any modern phone, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built for long days of heavy use. From early alarms and constant messaging to streaming, gaming, and late-night scrolling, this phone is designed to last from morning to night on a single charge for most people. The new chip is more efficient, and the software manages power more intelligently, so you get more hours of real use instead of just numbers on a spec sheet. When it's time to charge, both wired and wireless charging are faster and more efficient, making short top UPS throughout the day actually useful. You also get better tools to track battery health over time, so you can keep your phone in good condition for years, not just months. The iPhone 18 Pro Max runs the latest version of iOS, and it's built to fit smoothly into the rest of Apple's ecosystem. If you use a MacBook, iPad, Apple Watch, or AirPods, everything W, works together in a seamless way. You can start working on something on your phone and continue it on your computer, share files instantly, take calls on whichever device is closest, and keep all your photos and notes synced without thinking about it. The new AI features in the software can help summarize long texts, highlight important messages, and even suggest quick replies that sound more natural. Privacy and security are still a major focus, with clearer controls that show you exactly what each app can access, so you stay in control of your data. When it comes to connectivity, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built for modern networks and constant communication. You get advanced 5G support for fast browsing, streaming, and downloads when the network around you supports it. eSIM support makes it easier to use multiple numbers or add a temporary line for travel without dealing with tiny physical cards. Contactless payments, digital tickets, and passes are tightly integrated into the wallet features on the phone, letting you use it for transport, shopping, and events with just a tap. In everyday life, the combination of speed, reliability, and smart features makes this device feel like your central hub for everything you do. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is clearly a premium device, and it's priced that way. It's aimed at people who want top performance, the best camera Apple offers, and the most advanced software features available on an iPhone. If you're using an older model, the jump in screen quality, camera power, battery life, and AI-driven features will feel huge and instantly noticeable. If you already own a more recent Pro model, the decision will come down to how much you value the upgraded camera system, the smarter AI, and the refined design. With trade-in options and installment plans, many people will still be able to step up to this flagship without paying the full price all at once, turning a high-end phone into a more manageable upgrade. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another small step forward. It combines powerful hardware, smart AI, and a refined design into a device that feels like a complete upgrade to your everyday digital life. The screen is immersive, the camera is ready for serious content creation, the battery is built to last, and the software ties it all together in a way that feels smooth and natural. If you've been waiting for a phone that truly feels like the future in your pocket, and you're ready to invest in something you'll use all day, every day, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is absolutely worth serious consideration as your next main device.